Today, we're taking you to one of Earth's most spectacular natural wonders, Niagara Falls. Get ready for a thrilling journey as we explore the top 55 activities that will turn your visit into an unforgettable adventure. So, strap in, grab your notepad, and let's dive into the heart of Niagara Falls. Kicking things off at number 1, we're taking to the skies with the Niagara Helicopter Ride. Imagine soaring above the majestic falls, capturing stunning bird's-eye views, and experiencing a rush like no other. Whether you're a photography enthusiast or an adrenaline junkie, this is an adventure you won't want to miss. Next up, at number 2, set sail on the iconic Voyage to the Falls boat tour by Niagara City Cruises. Feel the mist on your face and the power of the falls up close. Remember to wear a waterproof coat because this is one wet and wild ride that brings you face to face with the awe-inspiring power of Niagara. Niagara City Cruises offers complimentary mist poncho. Moving on to number 3, stroll around the historic Niagara Falls State Park. With breathtaking views and lush trails, it's a perfect blend of history and natural beauty. Don't forget to ride the Niagara Scenic Trolley for an educational and picturesque tour of the area. At number 4, step back in time with Niagara's Fury. Prepare for a 4D journey through thousands of years of history, feeling the power and witnessing the creation of the falls. It's a multi-sensory experience that will leave you both educated and exhilarated. Moving on to number 5, immerse yourself in the serene beauty of nature with the Whitewater Walk. If you want to experience the raw power of Niagara without getting soaked, this is your go-to adventure. Walk at your own pace along the footpath, surrounded by the stunning colors and sounds of rushing water. Capture the beauty of the 410-million-year-old rock layers of the Niagara Gorge. It's a peaceful yet awe-inspiring journey that stands out as one of the best things to do in Niagara Falls. Don't miss out on this memorable, dry adventure through one of nature's most powerful landscapes. Take the Whitewater Walk tour for a stroll you'll never forget. Number 6 is not for the faint of heart, the Wild Play MistRider Zipline. Fly over the gorge and feel like you're soaring with the birds. It's an adrenaline-pumping ride from the Canadian side straight towards the falls. Taking a step back for a more relaxed experience, number 7 is the Riverside Patio. Perfect for those who want to enjoy a meal or a drink with a view, this spot offers stunning vistas of the falls while you dine. Number 8 speeds things up with a heart-pounding jet boat tour on the lower Niagara River. Feel the adrenaline as you navigate the rapid waters, getting a unique view of the river's natural beauty. Number 9 takes us on an immersive adventure with Journey Behind the Falls. Descend deep beneath the earth and feel the power of the falls from behind, a perspective that's both unique and breathtaking. Wrapping up our top 10, number 10 invites you to explore the serene Devil's Hole State Park. With peaceful trails and stunning views of the rapids, it's a perfect spot for families or anyone looking to immerse themselves in nature. And that's just the beginning, folks. There are 45 more incredible activities waiting for you in Niagara Falls, from historical tours to magical shows and delicious bakery stops. Niagara Falls isn't just about the water, it's a world of adventure waiting to be explored. So whether you're coming from the Canadian or American side, there's something here for everyone. Pack your bags, bring your sense of adventure, and make your next trip to Niagara Falls the most thrilling yet. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more travel guides and adventure tips. See you next time.